Welcome to the MOTO Freak channel. Understanding the Diesel Particulate Filter, DPF. A diesel particulate filter, DPF, is an essential component in modern diesel vehicles designed to reduce harmful emissions by capturing and storing exhaust soot, particulate matter, from the engine. It's often referred to as a soot trap. Key functions and operation. Soot capture. The DPF is typically a ceramic filter with a honeycomb-like structure and tiny channels that are alternately blocked at each end. This forces the exhaust gas to flow through the porous walls, trapping larger soot particles on the wall surfaces while allowing the clean gas to pass through. This process can remove 85% or more of the soot. Emissions reduction. Its primary purpose is to comply with strict emissions regulations like -6 and improve air quality by significantly reducing the release of black carbon soot into the atmosphere. The regeneration process. Because the DPF has a finite capacity, the trapped soot must be periodically emptied or burned off in a process called regeneration to prevent clogging and loss of engine performance. There are two main types of regeneration. 1. Passive regeneration. This occurs automatically and passively during normal driving conditions, typically at higher speeds like motorway driving, and for extended periods, 30+ minutes. The exhaust gas temperature naturally reaches high enough levels, usually over 350 degrees Celsius, to oxidize and burn the accumulated soot into ash. This is the ideal and most seamless way for the DPF to clean itself. 2. Active regeneration. If the soot load reaches a certain limit, 45%, and the driving conditions haven't been sufficient for passive regeneration, the engine management system, ECU, automatically initiates an active clean. It raises the exhaust temperature to around 550 degrees Celsius to 625 degrees Celsius by injecting extra fuel, either through post-injection in the cylinder or via a dedicated fuel doser, to heat a catalyst, diesel oxidation catalyst or DOC, located before the DPF, causing the soot to burn off. This process usually requires the vehicle to be driven for about 10 to 30 minutes, and you may notice a change in the engine sound or a momentary increase in fuel consumption. Potential issues. If regeneration is frequently interrupted by many short-distance trips or stopping the engine during an active cycle, the DPF can become overly clogged. This can lead to 1. Illuminated dashboard warning lights. 2. Reduced engine performance and fuel economy. 3. The engine entering limp mode to prevent damage. 4. The need for an expensive manual or forced regeneration at a garage, or, eventually, a costly DPF replacement. Thank you for watching the video, and I invite you to subscribe to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to everyone, and see you in the next episode. See you soon.